Hello and welcome to the Sunny Service YouTube channel. This morning I think we're gonna show you guys just a little bit of engine carnage. Just happened to have one that was towed in over the weekend and had as the driver explained, it was a slight knock in the engine before it just died, I guess. He said it shut right off. Wouldn't start again after the shut off. So we towed it in and opened it up. Took a little, I mean, it didn't take much to find it, but I'll show you guys what we found here. It's a 96 Mack CH613. It's a milk hauler, a local company that I do a lot of work for. And so we drop the pan down, and let's see if we get a good shot of it. And there's what we found in the pan. That, I would assume, would be the knock, or perhaps what caused the knock. What you're seeing there is remnants of a piston and a sleeve, or skirt, piston skirt. Just a lot of chewed up kibbles and bits. This here is the upper portion of a wrist pin, or I'm sorry, a connecting rod. There's some snap rings from the wrist pin. Here's the lower portion of a piston skirt. So some of them are quite easy to diagnose, as you can see. Slight ticking noise, but the best part is once we get up in there, I'll show you the connecting rod. Alright, so this is the underside of a Mack E7. It's an E7 400. The truck is 50% mechanical, 50% electronic. It's kind of a crossover type of bridge motor for Mack that they produced for a couple years. This is the culprit right here. This would be oh shit, let me see if I can get you guys some good. This would be it right here. I'm just trying to see if I can get you guys some decent lighting that's not just too obnoxious for this camera, but this one right here is the number one connecting rod, and you can see she just is not connected to anything anymore. And I'm not 100% sure if you can see it, but it has come back up through without a piston head connected to it, and then come to an abrupt stop right here on the side of the engine block. Which has ruined the engine block. But when this engine was rotating and came to that abrupt stop, the forward momentum of the truck carried on and sheared all 8 of the flywheel bolts. Sheared all 8 of the flywheel bolts from the crankshaft, and what we ended up with was a truck that nothing is connected. So what we've ended up with is an engine that is 100% junk. Completely not rebuildable. Basically a boat anchor that needs to come out and be replaced with, you know, either a good used or crate, or however the customer wants to do it. But in this situation, unfortunately, even a used motor exceeds the value of the truck. So we're making decisions now with the customer as to how he wants to go, if we're going to do a used engine or a used truck. I mean, these Mack CHs aren't aren't a very expensive truck out on the aftermarket used. So we're gonna try and move him in that route. I mean, if he wants to do a motor, we'll do a motor, because that's what we do. So hopefully you guys like that video, and look for a few more. Check us out on Facebook, Sonny's Service at Facebook, and click the subscribe button. And we're gonna get into some repair videos and stuff shortly as I get some time. I just wanted to start out and show you guys a little bit about what we do.